Hi, welcome to Sevat recipe. Today I'm going to show you how to do chicken in coconut sauce. We call this in Malaysia as Ayam Masak Lemak. So let me show you how to do it. First, I'm going to show you how to make the paste for the sauce. Adding in galangal, fresh turmeric, candle nuts, lemongrass, small onions, ginger garlic paste. I prepared before the fresh chili paste, so now I'm adding it here, followed by some cinnamon powder. Adding some water for the smooth grinding. I'm adding here some oil. Now the oil is already hot and I'm adding in fresh chicken here. I'm going to saute for a while. Adding in some salt, lemon leaf. Actually, I don't get turmeric leaf in Dubai, so I'm only adding lemon leaf here. I'm adding in the paste which I prepared before. Add in coconut milk. Mix them well and let them cook well with the chicken. Now I'm adding a little bit tamarind juice, which I like to put. If you don't like, you can avoid it. I'm going to let the chicken cook very well in this sauce. I'm adding in the thick coconut milk and I'm going to stir them well and leave it for a while, and I'm going to off. And it's ready to serve. If you like this recipe, please share and subscribe to Sevat recipes, and also click the bell icon to get your notification. Thank you so much.